Alright, David Harry here. So, do you have a pair of Beyerdynamic DT700 PRO X headphones and maybe your foam piece on your headband is falling apart? Maybe it looks a bit similar to what I'm showing you right now with my pair here. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach this replacement for it. Now, this is not an original Beyer product. This is actually a third-party replacement, but I will show you how to disconnect the damaged headband and how to reconnect this third-party replacement. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is to remove the damaged foam pad off the headband here. Now, if we just have a look on the inside of the headband strap, what we'll be able to see on the left hand side of the strap there's a rubber tab here. Now what we do, we just pull on that rubber tab and it will remove the foam piece off the headband. So let me just get in here. This is a bit awkward because I'm trying to show you the inside as I'm trying to pry open the headphones. So hopefully, as we will see there, I've got a grip of the rubber bit. So I'm just going to pull it. And as we can hear there, it just clicked. Now what it is, there are a bunch of catches underneath the foam pad to the headband. And you will hear these snap as I pull them off because they're just basically like, you know, push insert type catches. So here we go. And there we go, that is now the damaged foam headpiece now removed from the headband. Now to install this replacement foam part is super easy. As we can see here on this end, there's like a plastic tab here. And if I turn it onto the inside, as we will see, this is on the side marked R for right. And hopefully, as we should be able to see here, on the inside of the right hand side of the headband itself, there's like a slot here, like a hole. Well, what we do is to just simply push in the plastic part of the replacement foam headpiece into that hole there. And then we start just pressing it down onto the inside of the headband itself. And it will just guide itself on and then start clicking into place. So what I'm going to do is to just try and space open the headphones as best as I can here. Now I'm just going to line up that plastic tab there on the end of the foam piece inside the hole here on the right hand side. So there we go, that's gone in. I mean, I didn't even have to look at that, it just guided itself in. So I'm just going to push that down here. Now there are two tabs underneath here directly which this should click into. So let me just push down on it. Okay, we've just heard that click in. And then all I'm going to do is now just start pushing my way around the rest of the foam piece and start pushing it onto the inside of the headband. And we should start hearing some more clicks going on here, I would imagine. There we go. There we go. There's more. And I think there we go at the end there. So as we can see there, that has now all gone on perfectly well. And just having a quick close-up look here, I'm quite sure most people will agree that that actually does look okay. Okay, so as we could clearly see there then, removing the damaged foam piece and then replacing it with this new foam piece was actually very straightforward. It just looked a bit harder the way that I was doing it because I was trying to concentrate on making a video. Now you might be asking yourself, how does this one feel when it's on your head? Well, this feels exactly the same as what this one did when it was new. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, will this kind of like wear out much in the same way as this one does? And will this one fall apart? I don't know the answer to that one. I've only been using it for a day. However, right now I would rather have this on my headphones as opposed to that mess on my headphones. Anyways, there will be Amazon links in the video description below to everything used in this video. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.